Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video we'll discuss how to fix YouTube not working on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. If you're not able to use YouTube application on your Chromebook, then you can simply follow this troubleshooting method. First of all, check your network connection. For that, click on clock Wi-Fi and battery icon. Here click on Wi-Fi option. Turn on the Wi-Fi and connect to the Wi-Fi network. However, if you're having issue with your Wi-Fi network, then we already have a video on how you can troubleshoot the network. I will provide the video link in the I button, or you will get the video link in the description box. After that, try to use YouTube application. If you're still facing the issue, then you need to delete cookies and site data. For that, click on three dot icon, then click on app info and click on cookies and site data. Now click on manage on-device site data. And here delete all the on-device site data by clicking on this delete button. Also delete data from embedded site. Then click on done. Now simply click on reload button. And after that log into YouTube account and it should fix the issue. However, if you're still facing some issues, then you can simply update your Chromebook to the latest version of Chrome OS. For that, click on app launcher icon. Open settings. Here click on about Chrome OS and click on check for updates. This will update your Chrome OS to the latest version and try to use YouTube application. If you are still facing the issue, then you can simply uninstall the YouTube application and reinstall it. For that, click on app launcher icon. Open settings. Then click on apps option. Click on manage your apps option. And here look for YouTube application. Select it, then click on install. Here click on also delete browsing data option, then click on install button to confirm the action. After that, simply open Google Chrome browser, visit youtube.com, then click on the download button on the address bar and click on install. And this should fix the issue. So that's it. This is how you can fix YouTube not working on Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.